Hey guys, this has been highly requested of me, so I'm sorry about the background noise. So this is how we are going to cut the images, have the cutting machine cut the images on for the dominoes. So here I am, I just dragged and dropped an image, and then I just sized it down just to make it a lot easier for me. And then yeah, just size it down. Then grab the template that I have. I'm going to give it a white background just so that I can see better. And then I'm going to move it to the front. So I'm going to place it, have the image kind of like aligned, and size it to where I want it to be. Then once you have the desired size, oh, that was too much. Then you're going to clear the white background so you can see if everything is in place. Then after that, you're going to click on the image, and then you're going to bring to front. Then you're going to drag and select all, and then you're going to go onto this right here, and then you're going to click divide. That's going to divide the image and size it to the template, and there you go. You have a perfectly sized image or template. Now from here, you're just gonna duplicate, and you can fit up to 7 in a row. Here in 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then from there, just click all of them and then duplicate, and it'll make it a lot easier instead of just doing it one by one. Just keep doing it. There should be 4 rows that equals 28 templates. So that's 28 images for the dominoes. And then here I'm going to show you the size of it. So it's 1.983 by 0.9. What was that? Size. Here, I forgot the size, and it's 1.983 by 0.985 inches. And then you make sure that you have the edges rounded. It fits the mold a little better. So 1.983 by, and I forgot again, 0.9. Oh, 0.9. Sorry guys, I'm not good with remembering. There we go again. 8.5. There you go. So that's the size of the template that you need that fits the dominoes perfectly. And there you go. That's how you make a template for the domino molds on Silhouette Studio. Alright, so make sure that you have the rounded edges. And then we're going to place it back. I don't know why I did that. Now we're going to go to send to make sure you select all of them so that you can see that each of them will cut. So there you go. We're going to go back to design. And there you have it, guys. This is how you use an image and cut it on Silhouette Studio for your dominoes. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to me. I will try to make more videos like this for you guys. I like to help. Please follow me on my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Zoe Crafts, and always have a good night, guys, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.